If you're studying IGCSE computer science, one of the first and most important concepts you learn is the algorithm. What exactly is an algorithm and how do exam questions expect you to answer it? In this video, I'll explain what an algorithm is and real-life examples of algorithms and how to write algorithms step by step as if you're in the exam. So let's start with the definition of an algorithm. An algorithm is a set of clear, step-by-step instructions used to solve a problem or complete a task. Think of it like a recipe. When you follow a recipe, you follow instructions in a specific order to get a result. Algorithms work the same way, except instead of cooking food, they help computers solve problems. In exams, a typical definition might be an algorithm is a sequence of logical instructions used to solve a problem. Algorithms are not just used in programming. We actually follow algorithms every day without realizing it. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine we have a bag. Let's say we want to find a blue block. Here's an algorithm we could follow to do that. Firstly, we take out one block from the bag. We check if the block is blue. If it is, then we're done. If it's not, we put the block aside and we go back to step 1, which is to take another block. And we continue until we find the blue block. This is an algorithm because it is a series of steps that produces a result. Another example is Google Maps navigation. When you enter a destination, Google Maps calculates the best route behind the scenes. It uses algorithms to determine the fastest path. Social media platforms also use algorithms. For example, Instagram or TikTok algorithms decide which videos appear on your feed. Let's look at an example question. So the question's telling us to write an algorithm that calculates the sum of two numbers. So our algorithm should look something like this. We have to firstly start, then input the first number, then the second one. And we set the total to the first number in addition to the second one. We output our total, and then we end the program. You see how the instructions here were clear, logical, and in the correct order. Make sure to have all three. Now let's take another example. Write an algorithm that finds the larger number from two numbers. So firstly, we have to start, and then we'll input the first number, followed by the second number, and then we'll check if the first number is larger than the second number. We output the first number. In the other case, we output the second number. And then we end our algorithm. And this is exactly the type of algorithm writing you might see in your IGCSE exam. So, in summary, an algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions used to solve a problem. We use algorithms in real life, like cooking recipes or navigation apps. And in computer science exams, algorithms are often written as clear logical steps that computers could follow. In the next video, we'll look at how algorithms are represented using pseudocode and flowcharts. If you found this helpful but you still need extra help for your IGCSE exam, make sure to contact me. Contact info is in the description below.